Are you ready to detox your cleaning routine and switch to a safer alternative for you and your family? That's where I was a few years ago, and I want to tell you the best way to save money when detoxing your home, detoxing your cleaning regimen is by getting Norwex in their bundle sets. Bundle sets save you money. They come with all the essentials, and they're great for people new to Norwex, or if you've been using Norwex for a while and maybe want to replenish your supply. So the first set I always recommend is the Norwex Safe Haven 5. This has the 5 fabulous products that will literally change your cleaning cabinet completely. So we've got the dust mitt for all things dusting, the cleaning paste for all of your stains and marks and tarnished items. This cleaning paste is awesome. The Enviro cloth, which is our flagship product, the go-to cleaning product. This is going to remove bacteria from your surfaces, deep clean your surfaces. It's everything. And the window cloth, this is your polishing cloth. Use this after the Enviro cloth for all your shiny surfaces to bring them to a streak-free shine. So there's 3 options. You do also get laundry detergent, but there's 3 options on the Safe Haven 5. You can choose your detergent. Actually, 4 options. So the first one is going to be the Ultra Power Plus. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. A very little is all you need. I use like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon per load in my high efficiency washing machine, and it gets all the things. It's great. The Ultra Power Plus is also a multi-purpose product. I use it in my carpet shampooer, a few sprinkles, and a mason jar to clean jewelry, clean makeup brushes, you name it. I mean, the list is very long of all the different things you can use this baby for. So the Safe Haven 5 with the Ultra Power Plus and the cleaning paste is $115.99, regularly $131.95. So you're saving about $16. You could also get the Safe Haven 5 with the liquid laundry detergent. The liquid laundry detergent is great for an active family. This has active enzymes in it. Enzymes act as catalysts to break down organic matter. So all the things earthy, like your mud, your grass stains, all the things organic, like sweat, blood, drool, things like that. So if you have a really active family with lots of those types of issues like me, you'll want the liquid laundry detergent. This is super concentrated. You can do 230 high efficiency loads with this one bottle. It does come with a little pump, and you can get this in the lavender scented, which is scented with essential oils, or the regular. I use both. With the liquid, the Safe Haven 5 is $124.99. Compared to buying the items separately would be $139.95. So you're saving about $15 by getting it in a set. Now the last option is going to be our new Eco Wash laundry strips. These are amazing. Just throw them in the washer, throw the clothes on top, and push go. Super easy. It's an eco-friendly cardboard container. They're a waterless solution and super, super effective. I get 72 high efficiency loads with 1 pack of the Eco Wash. The Eco Wash is going to be the same price as doing the Safe Haven 5 as your, with the UPP. So it's $115.99. Regular price will be $131.95. So again, saving about 16 bucks. So those are your options on your Safe Haven 5. Okay, your next set to save is the Safe Haven Package Plus. This one's great. It comes with everything that's in the Safe Haven 5. So you've got your dust mitt, Enviro cloth, window cloth, your cleaning paste, a choice of detergent, but you get a little bit more. So the first thing you get is a kitchen towel and cloth set. These are just like the Enviro cloth in terms of their cleaning ability, but they have a much different weave, which is our diamond texture, and they're great crumb grabbers. I use this one to clean all the surfaces. This is the kitchen cloth, and then the kitchen towel we use to dry hands, dry dishes, and it actually holds 2 cups of liquid, so you can dry and dry and dry, and it will keep going. And it also comes with a 3-pack of our body and face cloths. This is Norwex for your body, They remove bacteria, excess oils, while not stripping away the skin of the things that we don't want to lose. They also exfoliate, which is amazing. As we age, we need to exfoliate for a healthier looking skin, a brighter glow. So these are my go-to. Great for teenagers too. And then you do get your choice of laundry detergent, just like the Safe Haven 5. So in the Safe Haven Package Plus, you could get the Ultra Power Plus or the Eco Wash detergent strips. And the Safe Haven Package Plus is $181.99. Regularly, if you bought it all separately, would be $203.91. So you're saving $22, which is awesome. Or you can get it with our liquid laundry detergent. You can get it in either the unscented or lavender. Lavender is scented with essential oils. And the Safe Haven Package Plus with the liquid is $190.99. Normal price $211.91 if you bought it all separately, and you're saving $21. How great is that? Next package option to save in between $31 and $32 is the Just Add water package. This package is great. You can detox your entire home with these products, floor to ceiling. So the first item is the Norwex Enviro Wand. This is amazing. It dusts all your high areas. The dust just sticks onto this like a little magnet. It's great. Also the rubber brush, which is great for cleaning off your Enviro Wand, and the dust mitt that comes in this package, along with the window cloth and the Enviro cloth. Plus you get some detergent options. So the first thing you're going to get is the wool dryer balls. These replace your fabric softener dryer sheets. They fluff up your laundry. They decrease drying time. Amazing. Also a choice of laundry detergent, which I'll show you those in a minute. But it also comes with the Norwex mop. Mop is life at Norwex. And oh, by the way, the Enviro Wand attaches directly to this mop handle. If you have really high ceilings, that's a game changer. So the Norwex mop is a telescopic handle. You can adjust it to whatever height you need. It comes with a dry mop pad and a wet mop pad. Mop with water, ladies. You will love the way your floors feel on bare feet. It's amazing. And then finally, you get a couple choices of different detergents to go with the Just Add water package. You can get the Ultra Power Plus, the Eco Wash laundry strips, and this package is $281.99. Normal price, buying it all separately, is $313.99, so you're saving $32. Or you can get the liquid laundry detergent in either the lavender or unscented. And with the liquid laundry detergent, the Just Add water package is $290.99. Regular price is $321.89, so you're saving $31. How awesome. Okay, the last package I'm going to talk about is the Let's Clean Your Kitchen package, which is great. So whether you're new to Norwex or maybe you have some things already, this is a really nice package to bring the detoxing into the kitchen, where food is coming into contact with all of our surfaces, and we really need to keep that area spick and span. So the Let's Clean Your package, or Let's Clean Your Kitchen package, comes with a lot of great items, including the kitchen towel and kitchen cloth in this very nice neutral graphite ribbed weave or channeled weave. It works just like an Enviro cloth, with an added benefit that it picks up and releases crumbs super easy when you're rinsing it out. I use this for drying hands, drying dishes, all the things. And the kitchen cloth is my go-to for wiping down after meals, after a messy cooking session, which I have every day. But these are great. I love that they remove bacteria from the surfaces. They scrub away the ground in food from my surfaces. Really makes a big difference. Also the oven and grill cleaner. This works great in ovens and grills and air fryer. I've even used it. It works so good. And I mean, cleaning an oven, the only way it could get easier if someone would come over and actually wipe it out for me after I spray this, because this makes life very easy. It has enzymes in it, breaks down the stuck on, the burnt on, all the things. awesome. And no harmful fumes. We're not filling an area where we're cooking with toxic fumes. We're not breathing them in. It's safe for you and safe for the environment. It also comes with the utility brush and the cream cleaner, which is awesome. These two work together like peanut butter and jelly. The bristles have silver in them as well, so they're not going to get smelly, musty, moldy, mildew, those stinky smells we don't like. Has a nice little kind of a sharper tip, not sharp, it's a food grade silicone to get in all the grooves. And this is great for scrubbing away stuck-on items. And the cream cleaner is perfect with this. Also a 2-pack of our Enviro sponges. I love using these all around the house. One side is scrubby and the other side is an Enviro cloth. So I can scrub away messes in the kitchen and then wipe the surface clean with the Enviro cloth side. And I actually just throw these in the washer when they get dirty. It's really nice. This set is actually mine. I've been using it for over a year and love it. I use them for dishes, for wiping things down, for scrubbing things. Really, really nice package. So the Let's Clean Your Kitchen package is $115.99. Regular price, if you bought everything individually, would be $128.94. So you're saving $13 by getting a set. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon.